Yeah, we're driving out for our day 2 shoot in Overland Park with the Bargain Mansions team. Sometimes weather doesn't cooperate, and it was a pretty crummy day outside for the first filming, but we knocked out all of the interior shots and now we're back for day 2. Yeah, the experience with working with the Bargain Mansions team so far has been very pleasant. Totally professional crew. Yeah, the team at Bargain Mansions are obviously on season 4, so they are a well-oiled machine, which made it easy for us. Not done any acting or anything like that. So, no, I think just in general, I mean, as you know, I speak on stage pretty frequently for the different real estate masterminds and groups that I'm a part of. Obviously been kind of thrust into a leadership position with those organizations. And yeah, so not unafraid for public speaking. And I will say, you know, you kind of think back how your career unfolds, and you know, one of the things that I did at an early age, my parents encouraged me to get into debate, and I think that encourages just the comfort in public speaking in general, being able to, you know, go back and forth with someone and debate certain issues. And not that we were debating, clearly there's a healthy respect for what she brings to the table, but I think in general you get accustomed to, you know, to speaking in public. All right. Okay, so pulling up right now. Let's go take a look. So just got done. Really great experience as always with the Bargain Mansions team, total pros. Knocked it out in about an hour. So look for the episode coming this fall.